Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the new speaking topic, that is work, study or major. Students, my students, they reported me or they tell me about that they were confused when the examiner asked them about the major. So what does the major mean? So what actually he is asking about? So they were a little confused. So major means examiner will ask you about your interest and what is your major subject. So what is your liking and where you were doing your study, or which subject your main subject, right? So like after your +2, you have to decide one of the subject which is your major. Like some students, they go with the BBA, like business management. Some goes with the computer science. Some goes with the IT, information technology, right? Some goes with the commerce, right? So accounting. So some of the like different one choice of your one kind of subject which is your major. So always keep in your, when the examiner asks you about the major, then that you will speak about your subject, your major main subject. Okay, so in today's video we will talk about the important topic for your upcoming 2025 IELTS speaking exam. So if you are looking for this free speaking bar partners, then definitely we are here to help you out with that. But again, the only thing which we needed from you, then please do subscribe this channel and also share this video with your friends who is going to appear in upcoming IELTS exam and looking for the IELTS exam tutors. We are here to serve free services, help you out with that. But again, our main requirement is if you just subscribe our channel and share this video with the friends who is going or looking for the free speaking buddy partners. So we are here to help them. All right, so in today's video we will discuss about the topic work, study, major. So in this topic you can see the important questions. In today's video I will just discuss about the important question, but in my upcoming next video I will definitely let you know about that. Okay, so what is the answer of these specific questions? Okay, so first question is, do you study or work? That is very important, that they can ask you in part 1. This is a part 1 topic. So part 1. Okay, so this is part 1 topic question answer, so very important. And follow-up question will also, they can ask you about once you are giving the answers. Okay, so second is, what is your major? Means your major subject. Okay, what are what are you planning to do after your study? Okay, so in my next video I will give you the answers for both ways, like what you are planning to, whether you are doing study, you are interested to do the higher studies or jobs, or what is your meaning, or looking for the uh, like kind of a training. So these type of questions I will give you in my next video. Okay, second, what are you planning to do after study? What are you planning to do after your study? And do you want to change your major? Means, do you want to change your subject in the future? If yes, then you need to give the answer. If no, then why not? So this is kind of a two ways answers. In my next video, you can see the both ways how you can reply with that. So do you prefer to study in the mornings or in the afternoons? So in here also students have the different sometimes they are in their speaking, they always say, oh, we are always like want to do study in the morning. But if you will prefer to do study in the afternoons also, you can also give the answer according to that too. So in there we will, in that answer we will discuss both sides. Okay, be with us, in connect with us and watch our next video with the complete answers. Okay, are you looking forward for working? So after your study, what was your thinking, what you are thinking, like you are looking for your, you're looking for you are going to do work, or still you have some other options to open? Okay, here what you can say, we will discuss that in our next video. How much time do you spend on your studies each week? So this is kind of a new, very new, brand new question asked by the examiner to the students. So please watch the next video, there you can have the answer of this question. Okay, what changes would you like to see in your school? So in your school, or if you are going to, like if you recently attended your college, then what things you think in your college needs to change or replace. Okay, we will discuss these three questions are really very very new questions in the just recent speaking class. So please watch my next video. There I will give you the answers of all these questions. And if you are new on this channel and if you are looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then we are here to help you out with that. But again, only the thing which we needed from you, that please do subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends who is going to appear in their IELTS exam in 2025, and also the friends who is looking for the jobs in 2025. So please share this video with them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.